स्टॉक मार्केट से रिलेटेड सारी लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ एंड अपडेट्स ताकि आप बन सको नंबर वन ट्रेडर। आज की स्टॉक मार्केट खबरों में हम आपको लेकर आए हैं जी मीडिया एंड IRCTC के बारे में। IRCTC, the company reported a 30.4% year-on-year jump in net profit to rupees 278.8 crore for quarter ended March 2023 against profit of rupees 214 crore in the year ago period. In the March quarter, total revenue stood at rupees 965 crore, up 39.7% against rupees 691 crore in the corresponding period of preceding fiscal. Z Media. The company on Monday said its net loss narrowed to rupees 45.79 crore for the fourth quarter ended March 2023. It had posted a net loss of rupees 51.45 crore in the January-March quarter of the preceding fiscal. Z Media Corporation Limited (ZMCS) said in a BSE filing. Its total revenue from operations fell 40.38% to rupees 147.69 crore in the quarter under review from rupees 247.73 crore in the corresponding quarter of the previous fiscal. अभी के लिए इतना ही। मिलते हैं कुछ और न्यू मार्केट अपडेट्स के साथ।